מניח את הטוסיק, את הישבן, בתוך הכיסא, מעלה את הרגליים, שם אותם,
A last safety brief before launching from shore. We paddle our kayaks, gently stroking the water, for the wind is down in the early hours.
People who come here, they don't come for extreme. They come to see, to learn, to experience quiet.
The water, still tinged with dawn, has turned green, cloudy of vegetal waste. We slide along the northern bank of the Sea of Galilee, on what was land only 3 years ago.
These lagoons actually was created first of all because of the heavy rain that was here the past 3 years, and now the trees are standing in the water.
On top of the half-drowned, lifeless shrubs rooted in silt and sand, nests of the endemic Dead Sea sparrow, a flyover of white and gray herons in their quest for fish.
And the trees in the water actually brought here many kind of birds.
The liquid enclave stretches over thousands of dunam. We make our way through a maze of canals. The green flows into the blue, where the undercurrent of the Jordan River meets the Sea of Galilee. The fresh body of water is the retreat of the soul. Then a coffee break under the canopy of eucalyptus trees.
It's nice to be between the water and the sky.
Sliding into our eyesight, the house of the Bek Abdurrahman Pasha al-Yusuf, emir of the Damascus Hajj.
Some of these Jewish settlements are actually mentioned in the New Testament, like Bet Saida, the place where Petros came from. A very old settlement is a Canaan city that worshiped a goddess. Her name was Kinneret. That's where the name of the Sea of Galilee in Hebrew came from.
Still, the bottom of the lake is sanctuary of other historical or biblical vestiges.
The Israeli government decided to start to desalinate water from the Mediterranean, so there are less water pumping out of the Sea of Galilee, and they decided to leave the surface high, as it is now. So it's going to stay like this now. We have a lot of thoughts about the ecological cycle in the lake. The thing is that the percentage of salt is rising very high, and they think now that if they put desalinated water inside the lake and pump out a lot of it, then the percentage of salt will come down. It's actually the first time that there's a very good potential here, that economical interests and ecological interests combining together. If they do it right, it could be a blessing for the Sea of Galilee, but in ecological vision, we don't know what would happen until we do it, but they think that they thought about everything.
Pierre Clochendler, I-24 News, Sea of Galilee, Northern Israel.